What is Ldiversity in data anonymization? Imagine trying to hide a secret in a crowd where everyone looks alike. Now, picture making sure that even if someone finds your group, they can't figure out the secret. That's what Ldiversity does in data privacy. It's a way to protect sensitive information when sharing data. When companies share data, they often use techniques to keep personal details safe. One common method is called k-anonymity. It makes sure that each person's data can't be singled out because they look like at least K1 others based on certain details. But k-anonymity has a weakness. If all those similar records share the same sensitive info, someone could still guess that secret. That's where Ldiversity comes in. It makes sure that within each group of similar records, there are at least L different values for the sensitive information. For example, if the sensitive data is a medical diagnosis, Ldiversity guarantees that in each group, there are at least L different diagnoses. So even if someone knows which group a person belongs to, they can't be sure about the actual diagnosis. This technique helps reduce the chance of re-identification. It's especially useful when data is used for research, analytics, or shared with others. It makes it harder for someone to link personal details to sensitive info, like health conditions or financial data. Implementing Ldiversity isn't always simple. It needs enough variation in the data to meet the L requirement. Choosing the right value for L depends on how much privacy protection is needed and the nature of the data. Higher L values offer more privacy but can make the data less useful for analysis. From a legal point of view, Ldiversity helps organizations meet data protection rules like the General Data Protection Regulation. It shows a commitment to safeguarding personal information when sharing or publishing data. But it's not a magic fix. It's just one step in a series of methods to keep data safe. In the bigger picture of data lifecycle management, Ldiversity balances privacy with data utility. It prevents attackers from exploiting similar or predictable sensitive values. Other techniques, like t-closeness, go further by considering how the distribution of sensitive data compares to the original. Organizations need to carefully select which details are quasi-identifiers and which are sensitive. They also need to pick an L value that fits their privacy goals. Regular checks ensure the data still meets the diversity standards. This way, they can confidently use data for AI, analysis, or sharing, knowing they are doing their part to protect personal privacy and stay compliant with laws.